The presentation aims to understand the special practices of construction workers. Kantibhai Damar and his wife Kavliben Damar have been working as construction workers in Ahmedabad for 20 years. Their home is in Bhalair, Rajasthan, where they are farming, but the income generated isn't enough, thus requiring them to work in the city. Their parents and five kids stay in the village to help at the farm. Their visit to the farm is during festivals, and their mode of transport is by bus. This is the mental map of the city drawn by Kanti Bai, where he identifies places he visits and the routes he takes to reach them. He also identifies these stops as pause points that have with time become a part of his daily routine. This is the mental map drawn by Kantibhai of his village. This is the mental map drawn by Kavliben of the only place she visits in the city, which is the vegetable market near the site. The map comprises of places they have worked in the city and are the little centers in the city that they have made themselves aware of. This is the current site they are working on and is located near the Akhbarnagar circle. This map indicates the route they take to the bus stop. The plan here shows the special character of spaces they have occupied on site. The images here showcase the special character of places where they spent their whole day in the city, whereas the images here showcase the special character of places in the village where they spent their whole day in.